This video is to help you figure out how to get help from a teacher. That first original letter that was sent to you, that looked like this, there is, if you scroll down, a summer meeting schedule. So if you click on that summer meeting schedule, it comes up with this. This weekly schedule refers to, beginning the week of June 29th, refers to what a day looks like for a teacher's availability Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you're going to notice on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, your teacher is available from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. to answer questions quickly. So make sure that you understand it's probably not going to be immediate. It may be immediate, but allow an hour or so to allow us to get back to you. But that we're open for email and Schoology during this time. If you do email us or Schoology message us after 2 o'clock, you're probably going to expect a response the following day. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, it's just a little different. On Tuesdays, we have office hours, and our office hours are from 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, and this is going to be more of a face-to-face. So what you will do is you will log on to WebEx, and again, the WebEx, if you're trying to figure that out, how do I meet? It's right here, WebEx, Alyssa Olson's personal room. Here's the link, and then if you are logging in from your iPad, all you need to do is enter in this code 808-140-271, and you can come join me in those office hours for those quick questions that you want to ask your teacher face-to-face. Then, just immediately following that at 11 o'clock, I will be doing a whole group lesson. I will do a whole group lesson every Tuesday from 11 to 11:30. So if you scroll down and you're wondering, well, what is Mrs. Olson or Miss Skauge, what are they going to be doing a live lesson on? If you scroll down to the whole group meetings, you're going to see that it's organized for you by date about what that whole group meeting is going to be about. On Thursday, office hours have changed to 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock to more of an afternoon time. Again, you can come on into our office using the code that's provided for you, and then you can see us face-to-face on our WebEx. And then if you're struggling and you really want a face-to-face with your teacher, but you want it just to be an individual meeting, you can sign up anywhere between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock for an individual lesson. The way you sign up is scrolling down here and clicking on this document, and that'll bring you to an individual meeting sign up. Now, I want you to wait to sign up for this because this is open for people that are struggling with something and need a face-to-face or a one-on-one with the teacher. And you're going to need to come to this individual time with a specific question or a specific problem that you are working on. So this isn't going to be a time for, I won't know necessarily, or Ms. Skauge is not going to know exactly what it is that you're struggling with. So we're not going to have a lesson all set or prepared for you. So it's important that you know that this time is to be saved for people that are struggling on something and have something specific that they need to work on. Now, something that I asked my students yesterday was to type their name in here and then just write a quick, if a topic or a leverage target that you are really struggling with. So I might say, Alyssa, my name, and then I might put multiplying whole number by a fraction. So now Mrs. Olson knows, or Miss Skauge knows exactly what it is that you're struggling with. So if you can just put like a little blurb about what it is that you're struggling with, that's really helpful. If for some reason this 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock time does not work for you, or you're feeling like it's kind of an emergency, please contact your teacher at any time. Send your teacher a Schoology message or an email, and we will see if there's a time during the week that we can set up a separate individual meeting.